Here I've got SHARP Aquos S2 and let me show you how to block a number, how to create a blacklist on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to Call Settings. And now open Harassment Settings and click on Blacklist here. And now you can simply add the number or the contact to blacklist by tapping on the plus icon, just tap on plus, and then as you can see, you can add from contact, add from call history, or simply add a number. So let me pick the last option for now, enter the number that you would like to block, and click on OK. So that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you. You will not receive any calls or messages from this number. If you would like to delete this number from this list, click on the bin icon, select it, and click on Remove. Confirm that you would like to remove this contact from the blacklist, and from now on, this one will be able to reach you. So that's it. This is how you can block the stacker. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.